back to my channel. As you guys know, I do a lot of freebies on this channel, so if you haven't watched them, I will leave them in the eye down below of previous freebie hauls that I have done on this channel. This is a very small haul. I was gonna wait to get more, but I was like, you know what, I need videos to film, so here you guys go. So not much, but it's pretty cool stuff that I got in the past month, I guess you could say. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give a big thumbs up, subscribe down below for videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And yeah, let's just get on to this freebie sample haul. So I think I'm gonna start off with Olay. So Olay sent this little sample of their eyes, face, and facial wash. So first, it's like a whole step process. First is this eye cream. Then you have this face. I think it's for your face. And then you have the daily facial from Olay. That's the first thing that I got in the mail. It's just to remember that sometimes they may say sample and it's gonna be these sizes, and I always forget that. So that's the first thing. Next, another little sample is from Derma E. And first I got a $2 coupon, and I got this little lotion. So that's that. Oh, then I got from Ofra a little liquid sample. Haven't tested it yet, so I was waiting for the video to film. But the color Mocha, I think I have this color. That's just this little sample with a dark. So that's my makeup that I got. Then I also got from Essie a nail polish, full size. So really pretty color. This is the color Stop, Drop, and Shop, number 152 in their color, and this is totally my color. They had like a form to fill out, and that's how I got it. And lastly, the big mama of this haul, which was the main thing. I use this site called Crowdtap. I will leave it down below with my referral code that you guys can join. You can get gift cards, and sometimes they have these freebies that they offer. So this is first the card, and then on the back, nothing really, just came in a box. I didn't need the box, I just wanted to show you guys the card. I got shampoo and conditioner from Suave Professionals. This is their coconut and vanilla repairing shampoo. So I hope it works. I will definitely let you guys know. So that's that. And then I also got their dry shampoo, which came in the package. So that was everything that I got in my freebie haul. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more videos. If you guys want videos like this, definitely let me know. I'll be doing them anyway because I like to show you guys how to get free stuff. And yeah, definitely check out my referral link for Crowdtap on how to get gift cards and freebies like this. The freebies aren't all the time, but the gift cards, if you get up to 1,000 points, you get like $5 for Amazon. So many places. I just know Amazon because that's what I use. So definitely go check out Crowdtap. And yeah, the site I use again is vonbeau. I will leave them down below, like always in my freebie haul. So yes, I hope you guys liked it. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.